Dear students, Kushra Vidya. I, JV and Dr. Chandrakala, Assistant Professor Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we will be going to discuss on the topic chilling dolphins. Okay? So as you can see, this plant is where over it, it is like almost the leaves or plant is covered with ice. Or in some areas, it is like the snowfall is much more and the plant get covered with um, ice or a snowfall. Okay. So normally when we say it is like stress, it is in physical terms when in last class also we have discussed just in terms of physical like it is mechanical force per unit area. Okay. It may be like a force stress may be freezing stress, chilling stress, heat stress, drought stress, salinity stress. So in the last class we have studied the salinity stress also. Okay. So here we will discuss about the chilling stress. When plants are exposed to a low temperature, okay, so we develop some physiological disorders when exposed to low temperature, but not freezing temperature. Okay. So, German plant physiologist Molish suggests that chilling injury, as long as like it's a phenomena where the injury can differ widely between species to species. Okay, and mainly in the tropical or subtropical area, almost it is like lesser as in the cold temperature temperate climate. It is much more found in the normal condition, like plants of zea maize, soya bean, cotton, tomato, banana are particularly sensitive to temperature below 10 to 50 degree and exhibit a sign of injury. So, chilling injury in tropical and subtropical is caused by temperature above 0 degree also, like maize up to 10 degree also, maize, rice, cotton, uh, rice pollen for mother cell division, like 23 degrees required, and if it goes to 20 degree, it create problem. Okay? So each plant has its unique set of temperature requirements, which are optimum for its proper growth and development. Okay. So a set of temperature conditions which are optimum for one plant may be stressful for other plants. Or many plants, especially which are native to a warm habitat, exhibit symptoms of injury when exposed to low or non-freezing temperature. Okay. Water content, like we see total water content decreased, bound water increase, or unsaturated fatty acid increase in the membrane, or saturated one decrease, uh, abscisic acid increase, then GA decrease, dormancy appears. Metabolic disorder, we can see the uptake of the solute by the root decreased and water balance distribution. Okay. Transpiration is more as compared to the water absorbed due to the with the plant water of the leaf curls. Okay. So here the solute uptake is reduced. So definitely it may be causing a disturbance in the plant. Okay. So photosynthetic rate become low due to low temperature and the rate of photosynthesis become low, the rate of respiration will be increased. Okay? So the aerobic respiration decreased and anaerobic respiration increased. Okay? The catalase activity decrease, electron transport, photophosphorylation activity decrease, organic substance degrade, and the protein RNA ATP decrease. Okay. So chilling injury symptoms, when we see, it is like cellular changes. Cellular change in the membrane structure or the composition or decrease in the protoplasmic streaming plasmolysis. Okay. Altered metabolism or like decreased or reduced respiration depending on the severity of the stress. Production of the abnormal metabolites due to the due to an aerobic condition. Some of the more common symptoms of chilling stress are like rapid wilting followed by water soaked patches or which develop into shrunken pits. Okay. Uh, like reduced plant and lead to death, surface lesion on the leaves or fruits, or abnormal curling or lobing or wrinkling of the leaves, or crackling, splitting, or diebacks of the stems, failure of ripening, loss of vigor, ability to sprout, internal discoloration. So the cytological change like swelling of the plasmid membrane or mitochondria, swelling of the chloroplast thylakoid. So lipid composition like ratio of unsaturated or saturated fatty acid in the higher plants and chilling resistance. Okay. So increase in the activity of the fatty acid was found. Effect of chilling on stress like seedling established or the growth or chilling injury is a serious problem during the germination or early seedling growth and major cause of uneven emergence of the poor strand. Chilling reduce root growth or an elongation of the biomass accumulation. Okay, chilling may cause the loss of the leaf uh, turgor or efficiency. So at the temperature decrease, the cell membrane undergoes phase transition from liquid crystallization to the gel phase. Okay, this phase transition reduces the membrane permeability to small protein solute and water and damage the cell function. Okay, the plant consists of bilayer and and the proteins or this like proteins are stored and the physical property of the lipid affects the activity of the integral membrane protein. Okay, so chilling reduce the activity of enzymes in Calvin cycle actually and the electron transport chain and Krebs cycle. It inhibits the translocation of assimilation and cause protein degradation. Okay. In some fruits, respiration may increase onset of injuries or stimulated by ethylene or decrease on death. Okay, or it cause oxidative stress also, or chilling reduce the photosynthetic activity and access the uh, energy in directed or oxygen directed to oxygen or resulting to ROS. Okay. Then accumulation or damage of the lipid membrane or peroxidation, we can say like protein or DNA, etc. Okay. The primary function of the cold acclimatization is to establish the membrane against the freezing injury. Okay. So acclimatization result in increase in the proportion of unsaturated fatty acid and drop in the transition of the temperature. So resistance to chilling stress often increase if plants are first acclimatized to the exposure to cold, but not injurious temperature. Okay. So, for example, if we take any plant and grow best in the temperature of 55 Fahrenheit, while the points that grow best at 62. Okay. The acclimatization of the solute, proline, sugar, etc. increase in antioxidants. So calcium also plays an important role in cold stress. Okay. So, like low the temperature signal transaction pathway, the change in the cytosolic calcium level, is necessary for the first step in a temperature sensing mechanism, okay, which enables the plants to withstand further cold stress. So we can increase the resistance to the lower temperature like by using the chilling tolerant species or cultivar, low temperature hardening, chemical control or AVA or PP300 or AMO can be used. Okay, other proper planting data or like artificial flowers, proper soil moisture, okay, or other growth regulators can be adjusted. Chilling stress may affect the seed germination and cause injury to the seedling or root system. So, chilling injury is related to the membrane phase transition, metabolism, distributions, or water absorptions and other physiological activities. Okay, so low temperature can result in poor growth, slow down the photosynthesis, and hence the yield will be low. Okay. Thank you. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any queries, please mention in the inbox. I will resolve it in the problem solving session. Okay. Thank you.